What's up? Matt from Urchfab. It's going to be plan B for the Mongrel's paint job. So I posted a video last night explaining the story of what had happened with the car, and I've kind of woken up this morning. I'm completely over it. I've made another plan for the paint, and I'm not looking to completely ruin the guy over painting a car. I was irritated about it, but I'm over it now. So I didn't really want to have all that on my channel. I don't want all the drama on there. I'd rather just keep it positive, and I don't want to associate all that with the project moving forward and it to keep coming up and have that video there and it be causing problems. So yeah, with all the stuff he's had said to him, I'm sure he's got the message loud and clear, and hopefully learned something from it. But yeah, I'd rather just forget about it, move on. And so if you didn't see that video and you're wondering why the car is here and it's not painted, I just got repeatedly let down to the point where I just took the car back. I mean, that's the gist of the whole story. So what's going to happen now is I've just spoke to Gareth. He is sending me the paint to paint the engine bay and the inside of the car myself, and I'm going to do it all in aerosol. But before you start whinging about that, it's going to be a 2-pack paint in an aerosol with a hardener in it, and you press a button on the aerosol, shake it up, and you basically get like a 2-pack paint like you would have in a proper spray gun coming out of an aerosol. It's just going to be much easier for me to get in all these little areas, and it's going to be much easier to paint the cage with an aerosol, and should come out really good. So he's got to order those in, mix them all up, and hopefully get them here end of this week, but if not Monday. So next week I'll be able to start rubbing down. I'll be able to start getting some paint on and moving things forward. I'll see how that goes. I might end up having a go at painting the outside. Might get a proper gun, and I'll just see what happens. But it's going to be a bit more rough and ready. But to be honest, that's a bit more me anyway. Rough around the edges, but fully sorted underneath, just like myself. I've also got a new t-shirt design done, which is for the Mongrel, a Mongrel specific design, which I had sorted out for the return of the Mongrel. You'll see that in the next video. I'll get some t-shirts and hoodies and all that sort of stuff set up so that you'll be able to get that hopefully in time for Christmas if you want to get one. The Escort, I was supposed to be going to Pembury and that, but there was some stuff still to sort out on the car, there was some stuff still to sort out on the trailer, and I had some stuff I had to do to my van that I was going to tow it with, and then with everything else going on, it just wasn't going to happen. So that got cancelled, unfortunately, but I'll find somewhere to take it, hopefully somewhere a bit more local. It would have been a bit of a long way to go to take the car, with the car being completely untested and only sort of taking it up the lane a little bit. So I could do with something a bit more local, just to have a shakedown before we go sort of trailering it hundreds of miles. So that's that. I did do a little video on that the other day. I filmed it, so I will edit that up and get that uploaded. But yeah, I just wanted to just let you know what the plan was, and yeah, obviously explain why I took that video down. I do think everyone deserved to have the full explanation of what happened with it, but at the same time, like I said, I'm not looking to ruin him just over painting a car. Yeah, I've moved on. Positivity only from here on up. Everyone should let it go, as Elsa would say. That's gonna be it for this one. Just watching. See you on the next one.